How can you use multiplication and division to solve problems involving time? Think about this question during the lesson. Crystal is training for a race. She trains every day for 8 days. How many hours does Crystal train? Crystal spends an equal amount of time sprinting, walking, and jogging. How many minutes does Crystal spend on each activity during her 8 days of training? Find how many hours Crystal trains. How long does Crystal train each day? Crystal trains 2 3/4 hours per day. For how many days does Crystal train? She trains for 8 days. Find 8 times 2 3/4. What models could you use to represent and help find 8 times 2 3/4? You could use fraction strips or bar diagrams to represent and help solve the problem. The expression 8 times 2 3/4 can be written 8 times, open parenthesis, 2 plus 3/4, close parenthesis. You can use the distributive property to help multiply. The partial products are 16 and 24/4. 24/4 equals 6, so the product is 16 plus 6, or 22. Crystal trains for 22 hours. Find how many minutes Crystal spends on each activity during her training. What do you need to find first?
Select your answer.
Find 60 times 22. Why are the 22 hours Crystal spent training multiplied by 60? 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, multiply the 22 hours by 60 to find the number of minutes Crystal spends training. In 8 days, Crystal spends 1,320 minutes sprinting, walking, and jogging. Divide to find how many minutes Crystal spends on each activity. Find 1,320 divided by 3. 1,320 divided by 3 equals 440. In 8 days, Crystal spends 440 minutes on each activity.